Jackson County homeowners have until 11:59 tonight to appeal their property value assessments. This is the deadline. We've been talking about this for months, and we've heard from many of you that are not happy with the process so far.
We went through this in 2019, 4 years to fix this. The county works for the taxpayers, not the other way around.
So the Jackson County Assessment Office says they've had over 43,000 people appeal to them so far, and over 9,000 of those have been resolved. Let's get to KSHB 41 News reporter Daniela Leon, who's live at the Jackson County Assessor's Office, to tell us what happens next now, and what people can do if they're not happy with their property's valuation because they're running out of time.
Yeah, hey, good morning, Deja and Lindsay. Well, the deadline is today, and upon filing an appeal, you will hear back from the Board of Equalization, who will then go ahead and make that decision on your property assessment. Here's what you guys need to know if you guys want to go ahead and make an appeal today. Take a look at your screen. You can make an appeal. You can file it online. You have until 11:59 tonight. You can also call the following number you see on your screen to get additional help. Now, once you file, you'll also be notified of a hearing date with the county's Board of Equalization. The board is then expected to hear appeals through September. The next step, if you're unhappy with the board decision, is to go ahead and file an appeal with the State Tax Commission, but you do have to provide a lot of evidence in order to take that additional step. You also have to exhaust all options at the county level first. Now, we went ahead and talked to a realtor who told us the best thing you can do right now is keep calm, especially since tax rates will come later on this fall by tax jurisdictions.
I think panicking isn't going to help anybody, and what I'm experiencing right now in the population is just general defeat. Where there was hope about legislation, there was hope about potential lawsuits that was going to maybe do things, but nobody's responding, and people just kind of feel defeated by the cumbersome process that they're doing. And I think it's just important for us not to get discouraged, and maybe level heads will prevail here, and they will do a reasonable mill levy.
Now, if you want to go ahead and file an appeal at the state level, you have to do that at least until September 30th. That is the deadline you have to meet, or at least until 30 days after the Board of Equalization comes back to you with a decision. Reporting in Jackson County, I'm Daniela Leon, KSHB 41 News. Back to you guys. So,
Daniela, let's say people file an appeal and they're still unhappy with what happens with the county level. Can they take it up further?
Yeah, so then the state will need to go ahead and listen and weigh in on the appeal. They will have a senior hearing officer look into that process. If you're still unhappy with what the senior hearing officer has to say or decides on that decision, you can go ahead and further that appeal and have a commission oversee that decision. However, it is up to them to either uphold, modify, or overrule the senior hearing officer's decision on that appeal.
All right, Daniela Leon reporting live for us. Thank you. And also, we want to remind you, we've got resources to help you understand the process of appealing. We've talked to many experts. We've talked to many of you. If you'd like, you can find that all on our website, kshb.com. All you have to do is click on Property Value Assessments. That'll be at the top of our homepage.